If you had twins, where would you live? Target Field, the home of Minnesota Twins. Let's look at this amazing house. Plenty of on-site chefs making things like hot dogs, cheese curds, and chicken sandwiches. And higher and fare like Murray's smoked beef sandwich. And a wonderful bar and a bartender in your own basement. Popular restaurant Red Cow and the herbivorous butcher offering you vegan meats and sausages and hot dogs. And wonderful Mexican street food. Look at that simmering meat. And 667 bathroom facilities. So no matter how many guests you invite, everybody's got a place to go. In the room that every mother with twins needs, a mother's room, an escape room. You can get away. It's your room. In a beautiful backyard, 2.5 acres, heated Kentucky bluegrass. Great place for all your friends and the Kennedys to play baseball. A wonderful skyline view of downtown Minneapolis. There is no primary suite here, but there's actually 30 suites. So you can have plenty of people in your suite. It's important to have an art wall within your house. And you have your own TV studio. Every house needs a good sound system, and this one has the greatest. And the people who have used it, Paul McCartney, Tim McGraw, Kenny Chesney, the Foo Fighters, Jimmy Buffett, and Def Leppard. Lots of entertainment going on in this place. The largest party ever thrown here had over 45,000 guests. Pink was the host. It's super important that your garden equipment match the quality of your building. This home was built as one of the most environmentally friendly baseball fields in all of Major League. It boasts 6 LEED certificates and has the most accessible seating for fans with disabilities. You need a garage? How about 7,000 parking space? Everybody can come. Target Field. And then somebody builds their house right next to yours and they can look down and see everything you're doing. See? Plenty of wonderful parking spaces. You can choose out in the open like this or covered. Made with DeSoto stone, native to Minnesota, and then blended with steel and glass. Twin Stadium is built on the smallest site of any Major League Baseball stadium. Just 8.5 acres. It's right in the heart of downtown Minneapolis. Some of it's built out over top of the roadways, so it lives a little larger than it measures. Built by Mortensen Construction, designed by HGA Architects. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe. And remember, in real estate, this bud for you.